Is WIX Dropshipping good? WIX Dropshipping can be a good option for beginners or small businesses looking to start an online store without the hassle of inventory management. WIX e-commerce integrates with dropshipping apps like Modalist and Spocket, allowing you to import products directly from suppliers and sell them on your store. This eliminates the need to handle stock, packaging, or shipping, making it a convenient solution for newcomers to e-commerce. However, WIX's dropshipping capabilities are not as advanced as those offered by dedicated platforms like Shopify. For example, WIX has fewer third-party app integrations and limited scalability for larger operations. Additionally, transaction fees may apply unless you're using WIX payments, and the platform's SEO tools are less robust, which could impact your store's visibility. In summary, WIX Dropshipping is a solid choice for small-scale sellers or those testing the waters, but it may feel restrictive for larger or more complex dropshipping businesses. If this video helped you understand WIX Dropshipping, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. Thanks for watching.